All right, boys and girls, today we're going to play a game. And the game is guess the sight word before I show you what it is. So it says, can you guess the sight words before I reveal them? Let's start by reading the sight words that we have for this week. The first word is have, help, every, ask, one, and walk. So it's going to be one of those 6 words. I'm going to give you some hints. Let's see if you can beat me. Here we go. Which sight word is a number word? It starts with an O. Can you guess it? 1. Great job. Let's try another one. Use this word to find an answer to a question. Which one of our sight words would we use to answer a question? It starts with an A. If you have a question, you might ask. Did you get that one? If you got it, give yourself a point. Good job. It is always nice to blank, someone in need. Which one of our sight words could we use if someone was in need? Maybe somebody fell down, or they weren't sure what to do on their paper. It starts with an H. Help. I bet you got that one. If you got it, give yourself another point. Great job. Do you know blank sight word? This sight word has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. It starts with an E. This time the word is every. Did you get that one? If you did, give yourself another point. We go outside to take these, and we use our feet. Which sight word is that? It starts with a W. We go outside to walk. Did you get walk? Okay, there's one more. I'm going to see how many points you got. This word has 4 letters. This is the toughest one yet. Which sight word is left? It starts with an H again. Have. If you got that one, give yourself a point. Count up how many points you got. The most points you can get was 6 points. And if you got 6 points, give yourself a round of applause. Excellent job. If you got 5 points, give yourself a high five. If you got 4 points, give yourself a hug. If you got 3 points, give yourself a woohoo. And if you got 1 or 2 of them right, give yourself a nice try. If you want, you can play this game again. Otherwise, keep working hard and doing your work. Great job, boys and girls.